Updating your billing address on Entrata is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Entrata website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, find the option labeled billing information or payment methods. Click on it to proceed to your billing details. Step 4. Update your address. Look for the field that contains your current billing address. Enter your new address in the appropriate fields, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, make sure to click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address up to date on Entrata. Regularly checking your information helps avoid any issues with billing or payments.